Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we'll be talking about the best Munchkin mirror for car seat rear facing. The Munchkin Brica Baby In-Sight Car Mirror. This product has been designed with safety, convenience, and comfort in mind, making it an ideal choice for parents who want to keep an eye on their baby while driving. The Munchkin Brica Baby In-Sight Car Mirror is equipped with an extra-large convex mirror that provides a wide-angle view, giving you a clear line of sight to your baby in the rear-facing car seat. This mirror features the innovative clear sight mirror technology, which ensures a distortion-free image. Whether you're navigating through city traffic or driving on the highway, this mirror ensures that you have a crystal clear view of your baby at all times. One of the standout features of this car mirror is its crash-tested, shatter-resistant design. We all know that safety is a top priority when it comes to our little ones, and this mirror delivers peace of mind with its durable construction. It can withstand impacts without compromising its performance or safety. The mirror is also made with a soft touch frame that is lightweight yet energy absorbing, making it a great option for ensuring both safety and ease of use. The mirror's versatility is also worth noting. It offers multiple attachment options, which makes it compatible with most vehicles. You can easily adjust and secure it to your vehicle's headrest, providing a steady and reliable placement. The mirror also features a traction grid material, which helps it stay firmly in place, preventing it from shifting around while you drive. This Munchkin Brica Baby In-Sight Car Mirror is designed to fit perfectly in most cars, providing an extra level of safety and convenience for parents. Its large size ensures that you have a broader view, reducing any blind spots, and allowing you to keep your baby safe and sound while on the road. The mirror is lightweight, weighing only 300 grams, and its dimensions are 12.75 x 10 by 1.75 inches, making it easy to install and adjust. So, if you're looking for a reliable, high-quality rear-facing car mirror for your baby, the Munchkin Brica Baby In-Sight Car Mirror is an excellent choice. It combines durability, safety, and ease of use, ensuring you can always keep an eye on your little one while on the road. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching.